Okay, boys and girls, what you're going to do today, you're going to come down to week 5, and I want you to start working on your Unit 2 multiplication and division review. You should already have started yesterday. You should have did day 1, and now today you're going to do day 2. Okay? We will be taking this test on Friday. Okay? It's loading up here. Okay, you want to click at the top to review the standards here. And there is a song that you can click on that goes over the multiplication. Okay, but when you click on the little blue link up there, it's going to take you to a Jamboard that will review all the standards. So you can go through here and you can go through and see the different standards that we did for multiplication and division. Okay, and you've seen these because I've been teaching. Okay, so once you go through the slides, familiarizing yourself with all of the standards we learned, you come back over here and you need to complete day 1. What it tells you to do on day 1, you're doing 308-1, 2, and 3. Okay, I can understand multiplication by thinking about groups of objects. I can understand division by thinking about how one group can be divided into smaller groups. I can use what I know about multiplication and division to solve word problems. And I've completed the first couple of questions here. You're going to write the multiplication sentence for each picture. Okay, so the first one is 4 groups of 4, which is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. The second one, 3 groups of 6, which is 18. The third one, 3 times 8, or 3 groups of 8, is 24. And then you're going to come down here and do the division. I did the first one. That's going to be, you start off with the big number. So count it up. You see you got 3 groups of 4 there. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so that's going to be 12 divided into 3 groups, which is 4. You do 5 and 6. And of course, you've got the word problems to do at the bottom. When you finish that, you want to come down here and click on Check Your Understanding, which will take you to a Google form. You click it. It's going to ask you to make a copy of it. Okay, and you're going to do the Google form on 3083. I believe it's 5 questions. Okay, you're going to do that. Okay, then you're going to come down to the next slide, which is on 3084. In 3084, answering the missing factors. Okay, knowing what you know about multiplication to answer the missing, to put in the missing factors. So I did the first 2. 4 times what equals 28? So I drug over a 7. Blank times 6 equals 42. I dragged over a 7. Okay, so what I want you to do, you're going to do the second and the third column. Okay, there is a vocabulary song up here for you to watch on multiplying 7. Okay, and I will put the username and password in the on the agenda for you. Okay, so 7 times 3, that would be 21. Okay, so you would drag over the 21. 7 times blank equals 35. That would be 5. You would drag over the 5. Okay, and then the 21 is here. You would drag it over. Okay, like that. And you've done something like this before. Okay, and then the other ones I'm not going to do. You can do those. And then when you finish that, I want you to come down here and I want you to click on Check Your Understanding. It's a Google form. You will need to make a copy of it. Okay, click on Make a Copy and then do that for me. Okay, don't do anything else. Okay, don't do anything else because we're trying to get through it. Okay. Now, if you're able to do this, you can go ahead and do the next day. But I don't want you just going through doing it. Okay. So just do what I assigned. So you do slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. Okay. I'm trying to see if this is one that you need to do. Trying to drag that cursor over. There we go. All right, yeah, so stop right there. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing the video here.